It is the 27th of June, 2024. Oh, I hit the wrong button there. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
This is Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I carried on with the build, and I was hoping to get it done, but didn't. I did get the servo back in, the servo I was concerned about. I got it back on. I don't know if you can see that at the front.
Yep, okay.
And
that's the one that was in the way, kind of?
Yeah, that I couldn't slip under the connector, and I just for fun, I it wasn't connected, but I hooked up the HDMI to just show that even with that on there, you can get at it, and with it off, you totally have access. So
okay,
it really it looks kind of wonky because now it's all tilted up, but that's what we wanted. So. And I'm doing I worked on, and I'm better at now, but I didn't quite get it. The putting the wheels on, I found that was tricky. Slipping the wheels into the tabs and getting the other piece, this piece, on the others. Screwed on so that it kind of holds the wheels, but they're kind of hanging there because they're like, is that rack and pinion? Or is that just that's just front wheels?
Yeah, the rack and pinion refers to the gear on the steering linkage, and then the small, that's the rack, and then the pinion is the little wheel that the steering wheel turns.
Oh.
So I guess if you think of the servo as the pinion, it's sort of rack and pinion.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I'm I remember how to do it, and I struggled with it before, but it's coming easier now. And I'm kind of trying to remember to use thread lock where it makes sense. Okay, so that's where I'm at with that. Coming week, it's still, working on understanding Pi-Fi and how we would like. There's many ways to connect to Wi-Fi and deal with Wi-Fi. There's a whole world that I didn't realize till I talked to someone at the Linux meeting. So I'm going to continue with that. And when it's my next milestone is to get it to, at the end of the video that we watch, it waggles and it tilts and pans it rolls back and forth and tilts and pans the camera, which looks really cool. And if we can do that and get a video of that, I think we got something, a hook. And blocks are absolutely that. I got sick this week, and I'm recovering now. So I put this as a priority over catching up on other things, just to get a little progress and get back into this. And it's nice that it's moving ahead. So that's it for me.
Okay, it is Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. This past week, I posted Stand-Up, which is about all that I got done. The Polaris project is waiting on me to pull a throttle off of one of the spare machines and see if that causes the controller to be happy and agree to move the vehicle. Yeah, the rest of the stuff for next week is I think it would be a good idea if I could get both the tank and the Sunfounder car to do the little waggle thing with the servos. That would be a good target. The Polaris, I am again going to be pulling that throttle out and seeing if it will work with the controller. The pump runtime, I'm still wanting to get the README updated, but I don't seem to want to do that. And blocks I still have yard work, and the garden work, all I've got to do is support the peas and the beans, but that doesn't seem to be going very quickly. So back to you. Oh, you're still muted.
I'm going to give myself a 6. And the team a 9. And process improvement is unchanged. And back to you.
Okay, I'm going to give myself probably a 3 out of 10, and the team I'll go with a 9, and process improvement. I guess we stick with it until we actually achieve it. So yep, okay, I'll agree.
Okay.
And that's about it for stand up. You got any crosstalk?
I do offline, so
Okay. I don't have any online, so I will stop the recording.